Spin in this beautiful T-line. Just sign this up. Take for a spin. So there we go. Let's try it. What? Wow. Ah, that's the. Yeah. So. Go so fast, so smooth. I like it. Oh, the gear, it changed it. Marvelous. Can you hear it? It's so cool. It is amazing. But I do confess, like I stopped here and it's in fourth and I forgot to change it. So I wish there was a hub here. But it's beautiful. Look. Beautiful. And so light. That's amazing. Yeah, it is. It's amazing, like a little... No, he was working the bike because he said that I asked him to see if I had to change anything. It's over 3,000 kilometers. Yeah, you know. And he said the chain was wear out
So he does the chain and he also do the chain ring?
Yes.
Yeah.
But the thing is that he said that it's only free in April. So I cannot ask him to do it. So I bought the sprocket. Yes, I did it before once.
Okay.
But it's a pain because it's hard. Watch out. But since he can do it, I'll do it. Go ahead. What do you think about your new Brompton?
Is it worth the money I paid? I don't know. I probably had spent this much money modifying my lightweight Brompton, and it probably cost about this once. So I
really?
Just,
Yeah.
I probably should have just done this the first time.
Okay. How do you like your Brompton?
Well, I made it.
Your T-line.
Less than a mile, I was able to make it safely on my, on my T-line. It's very light, and it's very stiff, and it's very expensive.
All above.
All the above.
All the above.
But I think I'll take it.